Hello everyone, it's Paul again, and we're here today. I just made a short video about the bike I'm riding, and I wanted to make a video about riding this special bike. This is a bike called the Dahon, that's the company, Hit Pandemic Special. I'm riding it right now. It has 6 gears. It's actually a very comfortable ride. It has 20-inch tires. 20-inch. No, not 26. No, not 29 or 27.5. It has 20-inch tires. Really, they're BMX tires for BMX bikes, but I use them here on my 20-inch Dahon Hit. I'm going to show you the back here. So this bike is quite amazing. In the last video, you saw me going over the details of this bike. And one of the details I said was that this bike can hold riders up to 300 pounds. That's true. It's been designed to help facilitate people that in a wider range of weights and heights. This bike was designed to get people outside. That's their marketing strategy, to get people outside and riding healthy during the pandemic. That's why they call it the Pandemic Special. So it's a wonderful bike. My knees aren't even close to the handlebars. There's lots of space, and it rides kind of like a big bike, except for a couple of things. Because it has smaller tires, 20-inch tires, the bike is a little squirrely. I have to get used to that. You know, I can turn on the dime, and I have to be careful not to turn too fast. It's very, very maneuverable, and you have to get used to that. Otherwise, it's comfortable, and it feels very solid. I've had folding bikes before, and this one feels so much more solid than the other bikes that I've had. I won't mention those bikes or the makers, but I will say that this bike feels as though it's made very well. I don't feel like it's wobbly or flimsy, but just the steering. I gotta be careful about that when I'm going high speeds. Okay, so I'm gonna get off the bike real fast here and show you what it looks like. Very quick overview of this bike. Tires, of course, they're 20-inch. I put some fenders on it. Here's the seat post. The frame is strengthened in 2 ways here with this extra piece. I'm going to point to it. This extra piece of metal here. That strengthens the bike between the seat post and the frame. And then we have this special cable down here. You see this cable here? This is called the Deltic cable. Dahon has developed. That's the company, Dahon. And everything on this bike is adjustable. It's really just easy to maintain, easy to see the way things work on this bike, and I enjoy riding it. So I rode this way, and I went down that way while I was talking to you over there, and I came back, and it's just, and I rode with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand, and it's extremely easy. Oh, you know what? I'm going to show you this right here. These are the gears. It's actually a twist gear. This is how you change the gears. There's 6 gears on this bike. We're in gear number 4, as you can see. I'm going to move this. I don't think I should be doing it, but here's gear 5 and here's gear 6. Okay, you see that? So this would be the hardest gear. So we just twist this. There's 5 and there's 4. I'm going to put it back in 4. This is the view as you're riding it like this, and then of course you see the wheel right there below you. You know, I had another bike, and it was a 29-inch Fuji mountain bike. Love that thing. It was very light. It could move, but it was big. And the reason I got this bike, we're moving to Europe, and I'll be taking lots of trains. So this folding bike, of course, the big folding mechanism is right here. This folding bike I can fold up into a very small space, and then I can pick it up, it's very light, and put it on the train. So, the Dahon Hit, you can just call it the Hit, but the full name is Dahon Hit Pandemic Special. Wonderful, wonderful bike. It's all in black, I love that. And, you know, I have my white helmet here, so the black and white love it. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Dahon Hit Pandemic Special.